almost at the cave. Gon Vindia Chatna Nuak Cao Bang, Cao Bang. But one major problem, this scooter doesn't, once it's warm it doesn't idle and it dies on you. And then it doesn't start. And you have to wait a while. So that's what we're doing, we're waiting. Ah, gotcha! It's done!
Awesome!
It's a trick. It's like an aeroplane. It doesn't want to do it.
I wanted to tell you,
Go!
Keep camera. Go. Yeah, Milani's not coming. I wonder what's going on there. Alright, I have to turn around and go see what's going on.
Yeah.
Right, that scooter didn't want to start either. Look at how beautiful it is here. Loi Vai Dong Ngao Cave.
The Nguom Ngao Cave is where we are now at, and it's commonly described as the most beautiful cave in Vietnam. It was discovered in 1921 and developed for tourism in 1996. Nguom Ngao Cave is developed inside a limestone massif that was formed in an ancient sea about 400 million years ago, containing many coral and crinoid fossils. The surrounding karst terrain is peak duster depression located on the plantation surface at an altitude of 400 to 600 meters above sea level, with many hanging valleys and sinkholes. Its echoing sounds like the roar of a tiger gives the cave its name Nguom Ngao, which means roar of the tiger. So we'll find out now.
Get some food. And it was millions years ago. The sea is gone and all the fish died.
Oh, that's quite the story, Megan.
This is the easy to fall area.
Yes, the easy to fall area. Okay, when you pass the easy to fall area, you get to the slippery area. So when you pass the easy to fall and slippery area, you go up. And this is the easy to hit the head section. Go bump first. That's the safest.
Yeah.
This is absolutely beautiful.
A million years ago, was the mermaids and fish and everything in this was sea, but now the sea were gone.
This is called the Lotus Stalactite. Right behind the light, you won't be able to see it on camera, is a huge stalagmite. So I'm gonna try and get it from that side. And here's the huge stalagmite. Probably about, I'll say, 4 to 5 meters high. So one thing that's nice about these caves, it's not so busy, and it's not such a big tourist attraction, because we're actually outside of the main tourist areas. So it's nice to come and visit them. It's quiet, you can take your time, you can take photos, and you can walk around. Not too many people. I think we've seen 2 other people now the whole time we've been in here, and it's probably about half an hour that we've been in here. It is very beautiful, and this is quite a big circular loop type of cave that you can do. So you go in the one end and you just keep on walking, and then you come out in a totally different location. Classic example of a stalactite meeting a stalagmite. Oh, and here's a big one. A huge one. And as Melanie said, all of this was once part of the sea. And another chamber. So we've been walking quite a distance now. Oh, and look at how beautiful this is as well. This is really turning out to be quite a pretty cave. The beginning I was doubtful, but this almost looks like an elephant. Is it just me seeing it? Oh, this is the silver tree. Don't touch, huh? Doesn't it look silverish? Air.
Oh, this is different place.
We went in down here somewhere. I think it's about here where that lady is. And you come out here at the top, up higher in the mountain.
Daddy?
We've taken a detour through some village. It's so beautiful. This is the last stretch. I'm not sure how far, but I think it's about 3 or 4 kilos. And then we at our last destination for the north. So we've made it to Tang Hen Eco Resort and Lake. So there's a lake. You can't see it now, but we'll show you now. There you can see the green water. You can see it's not full, but apparently in winter it runs dry completely. But I think with all the rain recently, there should be still some left. Very nice rooms. Not king-size beds, but so important, soft mattress. You can sleep on these. It doesn't feel like a rock. And then the basic room. This is almost reminds me like a long bay without the sea, but the same type of little mountains or cliffs or rocks or whatever it is. It's the same texture almost. So I'm going to try and show you guys some drone footage what it looks like. It's almost dark. I ran back to get the camera because it's such a nice experience. We're the only ones in this resort, and the other people here, they can't speak a word of English, not even a no or a yes. So everything is done on a cell phone with Google Translate. They're gonna make us some noodle and vegetable. That's the only thing I understand for dinner. I'm gonna show you the restaurant. It's a big restaurant, a lot of tables. But it's nobody else except us. I think that's what we've been longing for. And here's the restaurant, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, remember this light?
Yeah.
All the lights were off here, and then I just decided.
And what did we get here? A unique. Oh, they brought us shooter glasses. It's going to be a long night. It's truly to this place. And is this the name? Tang Hen? Yeah, it's Tang Hen. Tang Hen Lake, that's where we are, and that's their own unique rice wine.
We have to buy Daddy's old friend Jerry that.
Must I buy Jerry? Jerry, this is your Christmas present. We're gonna enjoy it. Thanks, Jerry. Jerry, thanks for sharing your Christmas present with us.
Daddy, it's not
Sorry, Jerry, but I'm thirsty. This one is going down well.
This is not even Christmas yet.
It's close. And dinner is served. This is, I think, pork. They always have like an omelette type thing.
Of course. Some
Huge bowl of rice.
egg. Just that
Vegetables.
small pot there.
And
Just two. That one.
I guess this is a noodle soup. So I got the parking here, and this is the entrance to a very unique site here in Vietnam. And you might wonder how do I know that this is a very unique entrance to a very unique site, because it's definitely not well marked, and I drove here past twice and I've never seen it, but then I decided to drone down this valley just in a direction, and then I come across this thing, and then everybody was talking, and some local guy who can't speak a word English brought me here and showed me this. So it's a 2-kilometer walk to this place. I'm just going to do a bit of a walk and see where I get into, because we don't really have time, and this is probably going to be a half a day if you have to walk all the way. So I'm just going to walk around the corner. It's just really beautiful. So you're going to have to walk through that part there. I believe once you're there, I'd probably just walk to there. I'm almost 500 meters into the walk, I think. But if you're going to walk to there, you're probably going to be able to see it already. I'll take the drone up again and I'll be a bit closer. Say hello. Hello, sir. Where are we going? That side. You can't see, yeah, but it records. Say shop. Beautiful, beautiful Vietnam. And I have a buddy, huh? I have a buddy. We can't understand each other, but we walk together and we drone together. And we share the pockets together, and everything I have, he investigates. So the last moments here in northern Vietnam, it's about an hour's drive from Cao Bang, this area. I'm in a hurry to get back home. I think the family is already packed and ready to go. We have to go to Cao Bang, have a breakfast there, and then catch the bus back to Hanoi. And that will be the end of our northern exploring. So it's called Mountain Angel Eye or Pia Piot. In Thai language means a mountain with through-going hole. So this is a Thai community, by the way. And it's bye to this beautiful place, northern Vietnam. Say bye. We're back in Cao Bang, and we're gonna rest out here until tonight when we leave with the bus back to Hanoi. It was such a fabulous trip. Milani got the flu. We got it last week, she's getting it this week. We got it in Dong Vang, she gets it in Cao Bang. Show me. We just pulled one of her tubes. You are a rabbit now, huh? We just pulled one of her teeth. Or tooth. Open nicely, let us see. Oh, it's just blood. Your tooth is out. Remember, you must give it to the tooth fairy, no?
Yeah, like so.
I don't know if Vietnam has tooth fairies. And we are leaving Cao Bang. That's the end of Cao Bang. Now I walk to the bus station or the bus stop, book a ticket, and we are gone. Nguom Ngao Hotel. Bye bye.
We'll see you again. Thank you.
Waiting for our bus at the bus stop with the locals, eating sugarcane. A long night on a winding bus through corners and bumpy roads. These trips are never easy. When you get there, you're even more tired than when you started off with.